Happy October 1st. I have a special treat for you. In my 18-ish years of roofing, I have never seen anything this pitiful. Yeah, let's take a quick look at it. I'm going to try to get this out there for you guys really fast. Don't mind the little Halloween light here. It's just dark. I'm standing in an attic and I'm blown away at what I found. I got called out here because I heard about some rafters or trusses broken, inspected. I don't see any broken rafters or trusses. These are rafters. Nothing's broken in here. Look down the other side down here. Nothing broken in there. But what is bad? If you haven't seen it, what is this? It is not decking. It's particle board. Then there's OSB on top. No, the OSB isn't on top of this because this is installed as insulation. No. Insulation would have been more than needed. The insulation, the particle board, is an actual decking because it's got roofing on top of it. Look at this. There's shingles on top of it. And then to make it worse, whoever did the roof at some point figured it'd be a good idea just to throw the new OSB on top of the old particle board shingle. How did that stuff not blow out? How did it not blow off of the roof? I'm just like blown away on 24-inch centers, nevertheless, no less. Yeah, we call that something other than black, or, ooh, I almost said it, brown board. It's something else too. It's got another nickname, couple nicknames for it, but it's fiberboard, cheap stuff, no structural strength to it. How are the nails not pulling through? I don't know. I have no idea. That is not good. In my 17, 18 years, I've never seen anything like this. I've seen some stupid stuff, many layers tore off. I don't know how people do it and how they sleep at night, but this, what were they thinking? Was particle board even around? Well, it must have been because they put it on there, but how do you even get up here and roof the shingles without falling through this? Man, please tell me, it's only in Kokomo that I see this stuff. Where are you guys from? Do you see this kind of stuff in your towns too? Do you see people being this kind of cheap or this con artisty, scammy? I mean, man. Watch where I'm stepping here. Look at that. Look at that. Can you see in there? That's an old box cement there. It's got the particle board. It's got shingles. I just want to rip some of this down. You can see there's a layer of shingles, layer of roofing up there. Time to wrap up this quick video. Look at that cobweb floating through. It's on my phone. It's floating around in here. It's not Happy Halloween yet, but it's coming up soon. I love this time of year. I just don't love seeing this kind of stuff on roofs. Oh. Comment below. Where are you from? What's the worst thing you've seen? And how bad is this? Until next time, be safe. Can't wait to read your comments. We'll see you on the next video.